Hi, who doesn't know about Sana Dua, a lawyer from Jammu who has made her mark in the modeling world? Ex Style Diva last year and this year representing J&K in Femina Miss India. She just reached Jammu after, sessions at Femina Miss India prelim rounds to compete for the main pageant. So hi Sana, congratulations. It's a big win for you, for us, for Jammuites, for your family, for the entire state. A big congratulations. How does it feel?
It feels great, and to win it from Jammu and Kashmir is an altogether different feeling. Yes, feels lovely.
So you were there, for the training and all that. So what do you think? What are J&K's chances, huh?
That's for the judges to decide,
Right.
but I'm going to give it my best shot and try, my level best to make the whole of my state and my country proud. So let's hope for the best, and I want your blessings and your best wishes to, be with me during this whole journey. It's very important for me.
Oh, that's great. One thing I wanted to know, all the girls who there who will be participating, is there a spirit of healthy competition or a jealous factor there?
Being in a pageant is all about carrying yourself very gracefully and making sure that others around you are very comfortable. So being a Miss India is all about kind of making everybody comfortable around you, and it's all about healthy competition. So all the girls have been very good to each other. We've been all helping each other with a lot of things, with a lot of outfits and what we should wear, how we should accessorize each other, whether we're looking good or not. So they end up being your friends because you don't have your family around.
Right.
So yes, everybody's been good.
So you also have been, the face of Save the Water campaign and actively involved with, bringing Jammu a drug-free Jammu.
Yeah.
So, with this happening and your schedule getting busy, how you're planning to take out time for the cause?
The cause is, if I've started the cause, I've started it with motivation that it'll keep going no matter what. So we started this cause last year, the Pledge to Save Water movement, and I have been the face of that movement. And we've been going to schools and, business corporations and trying to conduct activities so as to spread awareness on this cause. So that cause is definitely not going anywhere. In fact, being a beauty queen is all about, working for the society and taking it along wherever you go, adding to your personal growth. So yes, it's definitely on. I'm going to make
So,
sure that you
last
maintain the
for
balance.
now and not the least, how is homecoming? How's the chair you are getting, and how's the surprise?
I have received this wonderful surprise, and my family, friends, all my close ones are here, and I don't think I've been missing that feeling for a while. Although it was like a small, it was not a very extended pageant, but still, it was so hectic that you just want to go and be around your loved ones. So now that I've come home and I've received such a wonderful, so I was expecting something, some sort of appreciation,
Right.
but this is an altogether, next level surprise, and I'm really happy and excited.
We really hope the love she's getting keeps on increasing day by day, and she really make us proud not only in Miss India but for the times to come. And because she's really a woman of substance. Thank you.